wondering why we're all bundled up in Florida. It's a little chilly outside because it's so early and we're more north, but stay tuned to what we're doing. You'll find out.
Very
excited.
Early. It's very early.
It's gonna be so awesome.
And it's cold.
And Daniel's really cold. They're not thrilled about it, but it's gonna be so worth it. Stay tuned.
Test is recording. Howdy. Six o'clock. We're out here. There's a hint for you. What are we doing? Dive shop. What are we doing out here in the cold, early morning at a dive shop? The darndest things your wife makes you do.
Have a good one.
Alright, I got it working.
You did? Okay, good. You need to sign that.
We take photographs and take videos too.
Yeah.
Guys.
Can't sue the Manatees. I'm not reading it though. But I'm sure
It's fine. All the super important stuff you guys need to know. That's
if it's if
relevant.
they
We'll be going over.
bite you,
Yeah.
it's
We'll show
your
a video
fault.
too.
Alright.
So I think they know what we're doing.
Whatever.
Yeah. I did this in 5th grade.
We're traveling
and
back in time, and Corey's becoming a
Well,
fifth
you
grader.
guys
It was
have,
really cool.
you have people doing
I wanted to do
video
it
on
again.
on the boat?
Yeah, the water guides are going to take photos. You guys are
Oh yeah, go ahead, Brandon.
I say the kids let them
Nah.
sit in the car for a little bit.
No. We're all like
Come on.
big adults.
Let's
So.
go.
And then last thing, yeah, I'll put over a coffee pot and make some coffee.
I'm so excited.
Say that again.
I said I'm so excited.
It's your heart pounding. Are you more excited to do this than the Aerosmith ride?
Yeah, I think so.
I think I'm equally nervous on what's going to transpire. It's early. It's real early.
Daniel's all suited up.
I want to know if we're bringing our stuff on there.
So we put them on backwards the first time. So this is how they're actually supposed
All right,
to
zip
go.
them on.
Zipper in the back. There we go.
Nice, what do you think? What do you think?
Yeah.
Is this your
We've seen a couple of them already in the water, some other nature. We've got a great captain.
You with us, but I can touch you next circuit.
It's cold. Can't see it. I wish I brought those socks.
Here.
Those waterproof socks.
You need a
Didn't get it all the way. I got hit in the bum with a manatee. Yeah. Good, just load it on up. And then put it back
I
down.
don't understand why you would even take it off.
I figured you would be directly
Yeah,
to where it wanted.
Pull it in.
Really?
Yeah.
And then you're allowed to touch them
Yeah,
at
if
that
they
point?
come up and
If they
break the
initiate.
physical barrier,
Okay.
you're good.
You may or may not need it in those maps.
Okay.
I've noticed some do.
I thought y'all were putting glue on there.
I know. I was like, what's
Can't get them wrong.
They're yours to keep.
Now that'd be a good joke. Y'all need to get an empty Elmer's glue bottle and do that to people.
Put some glue in there.
Gotta make sure the mask is
Pretty girl, yeah. Take pictures, send home for the hubby. And go, hey.
Get in the water and not like it and have to get out, wet and cold, and go somewhere else. Be patient. We're trying to look for something. We're actually, I mean, I already got your money. I can put you in, but we just want to give up.
Alright.
First day like this, I'm wondering, I'm going to stop in and see the good stuff.
So are you excited now?
Yeah, this will be cool. This will be neat. I wasn't excited about the cold weather.
Yeah, I know.
I just got over a cold
Oh gosh.
like 3 days ago, so I'm like, oh great, you have to go jump in the cold water
Jennifer
again.
said, shouldn't it warm up? I'm like, no, we get to see more this way.
Yeah, yeah.
Because this is when they're here.
Yeah,
in the winter.
yeah, they want to be here.
You're rinsing it.
No hair in the seal of the mask.
Oh.
The mustache might leak, but it's not worth shaving. If you want, I got a sharp dive knife.
It's not coming off.
Yeah, Peter does feel no pain today.
Blow out with your nose. All the water will come right out.
Yeah, okay.
You'll get some water. Oh yeah. Push on the top right up here, real gently blow out. First you can lift your head up.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Water will come right out. When you're putting them in the water, it's rinse, don't wash. Okay? Nice and easy. You rinse yours?
Okay. Three. Three. For the video. Come here, fish lip. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Want me to do it?
I was trying to make it tight.
So we might have to
Hey woman, you just got done. Oh, I want a hot coffee. Black.
Hot chocolate.
So how's that?
It's awesome.
Worth coming out.
Yeah. Learning how to snorkel. Oh, that's an exercise too.
So if you're taking the wetsuits off, just take them off inside out.
So, we just swam with manatees. That was really, really cool. It was cold when you get out of the water.
Oh, yeah.
See that here? Shake. Yeah, but that was cool.
This one is even more. I have one like that.
I thought it was a statue.
Oh, wow.
That's a real friend.
He is very statue.
Yes, dear, it's a statue.
So these guys got jokes. They just taught me that was a bird, and everyone's laughing. That's what you get on the tour.
You're not the first to fall for it, and I'm.
You come from Georgia, and they get you. Georgia.
Oh, go Georgia.
Wow.
Hey guys, you know what the sunburned manatee said?
I'm not gonna believe anything he says.
Man, a t-shirt would be nice right now.
Ah, good man, a t-shirt.
Oh yeah.
With this review somewhere, we only accept 5 stars. But if it is a 5-star, it's Brody and Rob. If it's anything less, it's just Brody.
Bird. Alrighty, so we are out of the cold water.
Yes.
And the sun is out, a little bit warmer. Birds underwater dive. What you think?
Yes, it was amazing.
Yeah, compared to 5th grade swimming to this.
A lot more interaction. Like, I swear we saw, 10 plus manatees.
At least.
They were coming up to us face to face, and
Yeah.
it was really, really cool. So if y'all ever do this, you need to come to Birds Underwater, because they're the best.
Cool
They're gonna-
guys. They serve you hot chocolate or coffee when you get out. They have snacks.
Yep.
It's worth it. But they took you straight to the springs, and there was probably 15 to 20 in them, but they would come out one by one. Some are the social butterflies. They would come swimming out
We had one roll over on its belly.
a couple
and
times
When they do that, when they come up to you, they say that, once they've come up to you,
and break
you can-
physical barrier.
You can touch them and that kind of thing.
Yeah.
So we got to
Gentle.
rub their bellies and
Yeah.
that kind of thing. There's certain areas you're not supposed to touch them, but
Yeah.
but it was really cool, really, really cool. So worth being freezing when you get out of the water. But
As y'all can tell, I'm not a morning person, nor am I a cold water person in the morning. But I also had to freshen up my snorkel skills. You don't snorkel much in Georgia. And I don't go out fishing too much in the ocean or snorkeling because I don't like sharks. So I'm a lake guy. But this was cool. This was a really cool experience. I was floating around trying to see them, and they were like, turn around, turn around. So I turned, and then boom, he was right there in my head, you know, right there in my face. And then we got the photo bomb, getting in our YouTube video. No, those are great guys. They did a great job, full of jokes.
Pretty sure that's Rob back there.
Yeah. They got me taking pictures of winning birds.
Yeah. Yeah.
But, and this was fun. Definitely
Yeah.
worth it.
Yeah. Y'all should totally check out Birds Underwater.
And we stayed at which resort? RV resort?
Nature's Resort.
Nature's Resort. So it's probably a 15 to 20 minute drive at 5:30 in the morning. The pups are back there, AC hookups and everything, but it's not hot here right now at all, as you can tell. We're not just in beanies and hoodies.
No, it's
also
pretty chilly.
cold.
It's pretty chilly.
We've moved up from the South Florida days, but it's a cool resort. We're gonna go back there, change, and then we're headed to Devil's Den.
Yes.
Which is
Devil's
another hour from here, and
it's
then
near Gainesville.
that's a underwater cave thing. So
Yep.
pretty cool place. Other tours are coming back. Others are leaving. Y'all check it out.